Welcome! If you've been getting notifications every time someone adds your post to their story or shares it in some way, and you want a break from those alerts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for add-to-post submissions on Instagram with the latest update. It's a simple process that can help you keep your notification center clean and focused only on what matters most to you. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon, often called the menu or hamburger icon. From the menu that slides out, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section is where Instagram lets you customize almost everything about your account experience, including notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This will bring you to a list of different notification categories, allowing you to control what kind of alerts you receive. Look for the option labeled Posts, Stories, and Comments and tap on it. This is where Instagram groups together notifications related to interactions with your posts and stories. Scroll down just a bit until you see Add to Post Submissions. This setting controls notifications when other users add your posts to their stories or share them in other ways. Finally, select Off to stop receiving notifications for these submissions. Once you turn this off, you won't be bothered by alerts every time someone includes your post in their story or submission. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications for add-to-post submissions on Instagram. This little tweak can make a big difference if you want to reduce distractions and keep your notifications more manageable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience. Don't forget to check out other settings to customize your app just the way you like it.